I went to 10 Dollar Trees to find these in August and they didn't have any. And now they have a huge box of them in December, almost January. Sneaky Dollar Tree, sneaky. Finally got them though. So in today's video, we are going to take a trip to Dollar Tree and we are going to look and see what items I absolutely love to buy here for crafting. I even have a few DIYs to go along with those items. So let's go inside and find out what I like to shop for. So I obviously go down this crafting aisle. This is probably the first aisle I start on to see what kind of goodies I'm going to find. Or in my case, what I might be looking for, like something I've used all of my supply of. But for this, I love to pick up wreath frames. I also pick up Deco mesh every once in a while. I've made a lot of Deco mesh wreaths on my channel. This one is one of my absolute favorites. I cut this wreath in half and I used some of their everyday Deco mesh to make a watermelon. This turned out absolutely adorable. If you want to see the whole video and the tutorial on how to make this, I will have all the videos for all the tutorials down in my description box. But this is definitely a must-have, and if you love Deco mesh wreaths, you need to go quickly at every holiday so you can grab the seasonal Deco mesh. So one thing my Dollar Tree has a lot of are picture frames in the unfinished wood area or the crafter square area, and I took this picture frame, put a little bit of paint on it, used some buttons, and created a super cute watermelon frame. Now this is a super old picture of myself and family, but I love to display this during the summertime and it gives such a fun vibe, and I love that it was inexpensive and on a budget. Now, books are a thing I buy all the time there, and also this laundry cord I got there as well. It makes a really fun banner holder, so I used the book pages and I just created a super cute banner with some stickers and that laundry cord, and you couldn't have a cuter Valentine DIY. Now, something you see a lot of people using is the nautical rope and obviously florals from the Dollar Tree. One of my favorite DIYs I like to make are these faces. This one was really fun. I just added some greenery from the Dollar Tree, and I also took some more of those book pages and I just cut out some cute bunnies for the Easter season. Now you can put any kind of pics in there, but these book pages also came from the Dollar Tree, and so this is a really inexpensive but super fun arrangement. One more idea, because I couldn't leave this video without a bee DIY, but this was super fun along the same lines as a vase, but making it a Beescape, and then it becomes kind of a dual project. But I absolutely loved how this turned out, and the Dollar Tree gives you so many options to create these really fun bee DIYs, but this makes a really fun floral statement for the summertime. The Dollar Tree calendars are some of those coveted items I told you guys at the beginning of the video. I hunted around to 10 different stores for this year's calendars, but there are so many fun things that you can do with the calendars. This was one of my more favorite DIYs that I created out of one of those mason jar signs and one of the Easter calendar pages from the farmhouse calendar a few years ago. But there's so many options that you can put on signs, or I really love to make magnets out of the little back pieces, but the sky is the limit and they have such cute pictures, including this year's pictures. Another really fun wreath form option is the cross wreath form that they have at the Dollar Tree. I made this elegant looking Easter wreath last season and I gave it away to my neighbor and she absolutely loved it. So I love that you can find these inexpensive crafting items but that they make such a statement and such a fun piece to either keep for yourself or to give away as gifts. Now, I never leave Dollar Tree without going to the sticker section, which is also where they have the stencils as well, and I love to create things with their stickers. Now, I love these butterfly stickers. I use them as a pick in this floral arrangement. I also used this metal tin that came from the Dollar Tree along with the bird stencil that they have regularly there. I stenciled it on with some white paint and I just think that this turned out absolutely stunning. The greenery is from Walmart, but this makes such a really beautiful summer spring statement piece and I love just the subtle touch of that really beautiful butterfly sticker. So I know we're here for crafting supplies, but these are my favorite snack ever here. Now I live in New Mexico, so spicy stuff is kind of my jam, but so yummy. I couldn't go without mentioning the vinyl because I absolutely love using their vinyl there. I made this wood round and it turned out absolutely beautiful. The ribbon was also from Dollar Tree, but you can't go wrong with that buffalo check. It gives you that total farmhouse look. So another wreath form option is the bicycle wreath form, and I love using this one. At first it was a little difficult to figure out. I also paired it with some more ribbon from the Dollar Tree, but this was a really simple project to make and it's so beautiful. I loved hanging it on my door for summertime, but this one is just so simple and elegant and you can't even believe that you made it with supplies from the Dollar Tree. Thanks for sharing time with me today. I'm so glad to have you here. And if you want to keep on watching with me, I've popped another video right here for your viewing enjoyment. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.